Ever deleted a task in Clickup and instantly realized you need it back? You're not alone, this happens to the best of us. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to quickly and confidently undo a deleted task in Clickup. By the end, you'll know what to do whether you catch your mistake right away or notice it later, so you can keep your workflow stress-free and never lose important work by accident. Let's get right into it. Suppose you have a task in Clickup that you want to remove. Maybe it's done, maybe it was created by mistake. To delete it properly, just hover your mouse over the left side of the task. You'll see a checkbox appear. Go ahead and click that checkbox. This selects your task, and if you want to delete multiple tasks at once, you can check several boxes before proceeding. Once your tasks are selected, find the delete option, usually shown as a trash can icon or simply labeled delete, and give it a click. Don't worry if you're not sure, Clickup will confirm before deleting so you won't lose anything with an accidental click. Now here, where things get interesting. If you just deleted a task and immediately realized, wait, I actually need that, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. Clickup will show an undo pop-up, kind of like when you drag something to your computer's recycle bin and get the chance to undo your move. This undo box doesn't stick around forever, so if you see it and you know you want your task back, click it right away. It's quick, it's easy, and your deleted task instantly reappears as if nothing ever happened. But let's say you didn't catch that pop-up in time. Maybe you were busy, maybe you didn't realize the importance of what you just deleted until a few minutes later. Don't worry, Clickup still has your back. All deleted tasks go to a sort of safety net called the trash folder. To access it, head up to the top right corner of your Clickup dashboard and click on your profile icon. This opens a menu, and under that you'll see an option labeled Trash. Think of the trash as a holding area, not unlike the recycling bin on your computer. Things aren't truly gone until you empty it. When you open your trash, you'll see a list of all your deleted tasks. If the task you want to recover isn't instantly obvious, take your time to scroll through. Once you find it, look for the three dots. This is the More Options menu, usually on the right side of your listed task. Click those three dots and you'll see the Restore option pop up. Click Restore, and just like that, your task is back in its original spot, ready to work with again. This system means you don't have to stress about permanent deletions in Clickup. Whether you catch your mistake with the instant undo pop-up or rely on the trash folder after some time has passed, you're covered. It's designed so you always have a way to hit the rewind button if life or just workflow gets hectic. Alright, that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you feel a little more confident navigating Clickup's undo options, make sure to click the like button. If you run into any trouble or have questions about another Clickup feature, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.